Hey, Bryan Young, ProTinkerToys.com. And we've got the new F1 car by Racemasters AFX. And this is a brand new body, brand new, long, Mega G Plus long chassis, okay? And these are sweet, baby. Highly detailed. Let's cut this baby open here. All right, we got that cut open real fast. I'm a fast cutter opener. Open cutter, upper, nupper. And this is the McLaren. I love the gold, or I think it's a dark orange and black. Beautiful colors. That's the McLaren colors for you. Just beautiful. A lot of detail, like right around here. That is sweet right there. I love the little small little details they put on this just to give that, you know, the authenticness of this car, to make it look realistic. They've really evolved in these cars. Are highly detailed. I can't say highly even more than I do. Tremendous. Tremendous. And they're awesome in speed. Look at that. And that's the McLaren F1. Let's get in front of the town. You can get a good picture of it. There we go. We pulled into downtown America. We're doing a Grand Prix in Toledo. Grand Prix in Toledo. And this is the McLaren F1. These are brand new bodies. Brand new. This is the blue one. Then you have a yellow one, the yellow head. And this is car number 81. The other one's car number 4. I love the orange and the black, plus it's gloss. It's just a beautiful car. They really did a great job on this. I give this a 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10. Look at that car. You want to add this to your collection, get them on order now at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Because ProTinkerToys.com, we are a mom and pop, family-oriented business, and he can't get that camera right. And available at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and we will see you later.